are going to start one of the topic, that is the application of the obtuse angle theorem. Okay, so you can see my previous lectures. You will get here application of acute angle theorems. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the application of obtuse angle theorem. So students, so सबसे पहले आपको obtuse angle theorem को जो आपको बताए हुए थे आपको प्रूव करने के लिए, वो सारी चीज़ों को आपके यहाँ पे यूज होगा. और कुछ जो है सो इट इज ऑल्सो नॉन एज ट्रायंगल वाया ट्रिगोनोमेट्री. ओके, सो बिकॉज यहाँ पे ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के टर्म्स यूज होंगे आपका, और उसको आपको उससे समझना है. विदाउट ट्रिगोनोमेट्री टर्म्स यूज करके आपको जो है थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चन होता है बनाने में. तो हम आपको एक एग्जांपल देते हैं और आपको क्वेश्चन को हम बताते हैं आपको. ठीक है, जैसे एक क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, क्या, इन ट्रायंगल ए बी सी एंगल ए बी सी इक्वल्स टू 135 डिग्री. ठीक है, ये दिया हुआ है एंगल ए बी सी इक्वल्स टू दिया हुआ है 135 डिग्री. ओके, एंड प्रूव दैट we need to prove here AC square equals to AB square plus BC square plus 4 into area of triangle ABC. Okay, area of triangle ABC. So this is the question, students. You need to prove here AC square equals to AB square plus BC square plus 4 into area of triangle ABC. So students, first of all you should go through the obtuse angle theorem. First of all you will have to prove that things, then after that you will have to apply the trigonometry, funda of trigonometry. Okay, so, and then you will get that result. So first of all we will draw that triangle where ABC equals to 135. So here is the triangle, and here is the 135, and this is the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle, and here is the ABC. So here is the A, here is the B, and here is the C, and this is the 135 degree. So okay, so we can write here this is 135. Okay, 135 degree. Okay, so first of all you can see this, and then we try to remember the concept of obtuse angle theorem. We will have to draw perpendicular. Okay, we will have to draw perpendicular here. हम लोग को यहाँ पे perpendicular draw करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so here is the perpendicular. Okay, so D is the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular lines. Okay, so now we can apply the concept of, first of all we can apply the concept of obtuse angle theorem. Okay, so first of all, what is the obtuse angle theorem? You can see the obtuse angle theorem. Okay, so you will get here, suppose here is the question. So first of all you should write what is the part of given. After that we will process next step. So here is the triangle, so we can write here given, that is the in triangle ABC, angle ABC equals to 135 degree. Okay, and here we need to prove here AC square equals to this. So AC square, this is the part of proof. Okay, so simply we can modify area of triangle ABC. We can write here what 1/2 base into height. So this is the base is what, base is BC, and perpendicularly AD we can modify that things. Okay, in later on. So construction, this is the construction. So draw AD perpendicular to BCD, BC, sorry, DBC, and where BD is extend part of BC. Okay, this is the part of construction. So we will process to obtuse angle triangle. Okay, obtuse angle theorem. So this is the proof. So we will process here. We need like in triangle ADC, in right angle triangle what ADC. Okay, ADC, we will get here AC square equals to, AC square equals to what? AC square equals to AD square plus CD square. Okay, AD square plus CD square. This is due to Pythagoras theorem. We can write here, and after that we can write here what AD square. We can, yes, AD square we need no. Okay, so we will have to remove AD square by suitable things. So you can you should wait for this. Or CD square we can write in the place of CD. We can write what? Oh sorry. Okay, so in triangle ADC, in triangle ADB, we can write here what? In triangle right angle triangle ADB, we can write here AB square equals to what? AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. Okay, AD square plus BD square. So you can see AB square equals to what? We will have to replace AD square. So we can write here AD square equals to AB square minus BD square. Okay, this is the value of AD. We can remove it. We can replace it. This AD square equals to from this. So we can remove. Okay, so we can process next things, that is the AC square equals to, implies that AC square equals to what? AD square is what? AD square is AB square minus BD square plus what? CD square. Okay, so we can remove CD. We can write CD like this, like which way? CD means we can write CD plus BD. Okay, so we can write here AB square, okay, minus BD BCS. Okay, BD means BD and CD means BD plus BC. Okay, BD plus BC square. So we need BC, that's why. And here is the AB square, and you can see here BD square, and here is the what? A BD plus BD square, A plus D ka whole square, plus here is the BC square, and A plus D plus 2AB, so 2 into BD into BC. Okay, so you can see one of the terms will be cancelled. You can see here one of the terms will be cancelled here. This is the BD square and BD square will be cancelled. So we will get here what? We will get here AB square equals to, we will get here AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square into twice the DD into BC. Okay, this is the AC square. So you can go through this AB square BC square here. We will have to modify it. So you can see area of triangle ABC, 4 into area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC we can write here what? Area of triangle ABC, we can write here 1 by 2 base into height. So base is what? BC and height is what? AD. Okay, so we need it BC into AD. So BC into AD, yes, this is the perpendicular parts. So we can write here. So here is, you can see here is the AD, here is the AB square plus BC square plus twice the BD into BC, twice the BD into BC. So we need AD. So we will have to remove it. BDs. How we can remove? Please reply. Here we can say this is the 135. So we can say this angle. Okay. This angle is what? 135 minus 180 by what? 180 minus 135. So we will get here what? You can see here 185, 180 minus 135 is here is a 5 and 7, 7, 3, 4, 45. Yes, here is the 45 degree. So we can write here 45 degree. So okay. So we will apply to trigonometry here. Okay. So हम लोग को चाहिए यहाँ पे क्या AD, और हमको AD चाहिए तो हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा, ट्रिगोनोमेट्री अप्लाई कर लेते हैं। यहाँ पे ट्रिगोनोमेट्री अगर अप्लाई करेंगे हम लोग तो क्या आ जाएगा बताइए। ट्रिगोनोमेट्री अगर अप्लाई करेंगे तो अगर cos 45 लेंगे तो बताइए क्या होगा, BD बाई cos 45 इक्वल्स टू क्या होगा, BD बाई होगा AB होगा। ठीक है, तो यहाँ से हम लोग को आ जाएगा क्या, हमको BD चाहिए ना, तो इसको हम लोग ऐसा लिख सकते हैं। यू कैन सी हियर इफ वी विल टेक हियर sin 40, सो tan 45 अगर ले तो व्हाट विल हैपन, प्लीज चेक हियर AD by BD. Okay, so tan 45 equals to 1, so AD is here and BD is here, so BD equals to AD, so we can replace this BD equals to AD. So if we will replace it, so we will get here what, AB square plus BC square and plus twice the BD. BD means AD, so we can write here AD into BC. Okay, so AD into BC we need here 4 here, so we can multiply here. So you please check it, AB square plus BC square plus 2 plus we need here 1 by 2 BC into AD. Okay, so 1 by 2 BC into AD, this is the we need, and here 2, so 2 will be cancelled, so we can write here 4. Okay, अगर 4 हम लोग लिख लेंगे तो बात वही हो जाएगा आपका, तो ये आपका वही चीज़ आ जाएगा। ठीक है, BC into AD आ जाएगा। So we can write here in the place of this, we can write here in the place of this. So what we can write here in the place of this, you will have to write it, आपको ये भी लिखना पड़ेगा आपको। ठीक है, ये वैल्यू आपको जो कैसे आया आपका वो भी लिखना पड़ेगा आपको। So we can write here next step, that is the AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, okay, plus 4 into area of triangle ABC. So this is the part you need to prove, that is the proof. Okay, so you will have to write it, ये भी आपको लिखना पड़ेगा। Okay students, so you can solve this type of questions from the obtuse angle theorems. आपको obtuse angle theorem से इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आपको सॉल्व करना है। कुछ क्वेश्चन इसमें डाल देते हैं ताकि आप कुछ क्वेश्चन इसमें प्रैक्टिस करें इसमें, और ये सारी चीज़ आपको समझ में आ जाए। ये सारी चीज़ आपको ट्रिगोनोमेट्री यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, आपको ये चीज़ दिमाग पे रखना चाहिए। ट्रिगोनोमेट्री वाले टर्म्स आपके इन्वॉल्व हो जाएंगे यहाँ पे, तो इसलिए आपको ये सब सारा चीज़ को आपको अच्छे से आपको ट्रीट करें। ओके, so next, that is the questions regarding this topic. So first question number 2, that is the in triangle ABC, angle ABC equals to 120 degree, angle ABC equals to 120 degree. Prove that you need to prove here AC square equals to AB square plus BC square plus 4 into root under 3 by 3 into area of triangle ABC into area of triangle ABC. This is you need to prove. Question number 3. Okay, so question number 3, that is in triangle, suppose 60, 120, okay, 145, yes, in triangle ABC, angle ABC equals to we can write here 120, 60, okay, 60, 120 and 135, here is 135 is already completed, 120 is already completed, and next thing, that is the 60 is completed, 45 is completed and 30. So ABC equals to 150 degree. Okay, 150 degree. So ABC 150. Prove that prove that AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. When here is the some terms you will have to find here, what will be the value of it, you will have to find here. Okay, so this is the question. You will have to try to solve that questions. Okay, so that you can easily approach to the obtuse angle theorems. Okay students, so it is my humble request to you, please revise all of the theorems like the Apollonius theorems, obtuse angle theorems, right angle triangle theorems, that is the Pythagoras theorems. All the theorems is very important for point of examinations. Okay, so you should remember all of the, you should try to apply all of the theorems, basically Pythagoras theorems. Okay, thank you.